Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to Reading Japanese Meets. We're here to capture arrivals in the rain. So we have the MX-5 hopping and revving. And it'll be interesting to see how many cars turn up because, as I said, it is wet. There's someone doing a burnout in the car park. Is this a Shelby Raptor that we've got coming around the corner? Check it out, it's black with red stripes. A Shelby Raptor. I was expecting a bit of noise, but fair enough. They're on a race in the mopeds with their blurry number plate. He's still going. Not a lot of Japanese cars yet. Well, there's a 997 Turbo still, not Japanese. This Mazda's been popping some little flames. There's a very loud Colt coming around the corner. Here he comes. Oh, he got blocked. And the Colt has made its glamorous return. He flashes on the back and the side as well. There he goes. There he goes. Ladies be dripping. Something is coming up with some yellow lights. It's a Mazda 323. There it has the yellow lights. One of the main lights doesn't work altogether. Check it out, guys. It's missing a rear light. It's had some green laning incidents. Oh, some noises. It's the Colt. They have a very specific fan base, you could say. And whilst last month I was gifted a 350Z, tonight I've been gifted a Cobra. I'm loving these meets. This one's a colour shifter. What's that approaching? It's an S14 at quite some speed. Fortunately, he took the racing line. Is that a classic Volkswagen Beetle I can see? I think it is. It's got roof bars as well. Check it out. Moped as well, and a 350Z, they're all coming now. There was an R8 down there, I missed it, but it was down there, and I think someone did a skid. And there's another S14, also in green, but not going quite as fast as the speedy boy we had earlier. What has this guy bought? Some kind of cabinet for his new house? Maybe. He'll be stashing all his memorabilia and magazines in there. What's this? Oh, there's a Fiesta with a Revolution. I love how the Volkswagen Up's rear lights spell egg. Now, these chaps seem to be arriving at quite a pace. What have we got? There's a Fiesta and a Fiesta. A Mark 8 versus the Mark 7. Here they come. There's some kind of instrument. It's a Sora, and it is going at some pace. And it is a 1UZ V8. Oh, and a bit of a barge. We've got the Laurel doing some bits. The girl with the neons on her bike front wheel is back again for another month at Reading Japanese Meets with her very brave shoes. Take a look at those. And a new lineup includes a Mark II MX-5, a Porsche 911 Turbo, and here is the 991 Turbo. I haven't moved my arm that quickly in literally an hour. This guy is up to something. He's waiting for a mate to do some... Well, there's traffic coming. Here he comes. Someone's popping behind me. Oh, there's the wheelie. We have another JDM barge for the evening. A random TVR Griffith from out of nowhere going the wrong way. And a yellow BMW M4. I'm liking the yellow. The Civic, yep. The rain is coming. Oh, it is, and so is an S14. Wow, he did it without skidding. Oh, we got an R33 next up and a 356. Supra. So I've been shouting from the rain underneath a speed limit sign, and there's another barge of some sort coming in. Can't quite make out what it is yet due to the darkness. The MX-5 behind him went sideways like the little pumpkin it is. Little Volvos, well. Oh, we've got a few more. We've got a Skyline and a Z again. Check out the colour, or colours. Look at the wheels on the Smart Coupe. It's like the bicycle from earlier. The chaps on this bike have been trying to say some words, but they don't understand that we can't hear them through their helmets. They said some more words. Oh, champs, look, we have an S13 now. What's behind the S13? Something else, a PS13 behind the S13. Pretty cool in the evening's wetness and moisture. Oh, there he goes. Oh, there he goes. On the pavement this time. And now the moped clears because we have the MX-5 bringing Niels back and a policeman officer not bringing Niels back. That's a shame. Talking of colourful lights, we have what appears to be a modified Fiesta behind an understeering Civic and a green Golf. To be fair, it must be a very weird sight for the onlookers seeing all these people just stood out in the rain. What we really need for these challenging conditions is a Subaru. Or maybe anything else, just something with all-wheel drive, like a Lamborghini Huracan would do. Oh look, we have an early departure from the green S14. I think it might be something to do with the moisture. In the lights and the reflection in the wet ground. That is surely a sight to behold. Wow! Oh, it's like Christmas, but with tyres. And talking of bright colours, we have a bright BMW with some green, matching the green on the body of it. I can hear something, guys. It's still wet. Oh my god, there's an R34! Check it out, guys, that is the car. That is the one we've all been waiting for. Oh yes. Everyone's lighting up the night and making noises too. Oh dear, what a miserable weather night. You can see the wind blowing the rain through the sky, and I'm just kind of hidden under the sign. Look, there's an early departure from the Z. Or is he coming around? He's coming around. He's coming around, guys. There's something else as well. What's that? It looks like an S14, but we've got the 350Z going sideways, and an S14. It was the S13. Ah, there's a white chaser. I didn't notice. The lit van is back. There was a Superman badge in the cockpit as well. Oh, this weather. I need an umbrella. Seems cars really are starting to leave quite early. Or not, he's actually arriving. Oh no, he's leaving. He's doing a rally stage, guys. So, with some pops in the background, under a bit of shelter from the tree, we're going to head to the exit and film the cars eventually leaving, but they are kind of flowing around quite quickly now. It's moist. It's a metaphor for the night. It's gushing out. It's too dark. So I've grabbed an umbrella which is shaking around everywhere, and we're now at the exit to capture cars leaving, but that will be in a separate video, so look out for that one. So I hope you enjoy that video of the cars arriving. It's a very moist Reading Jap meet. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates and highlights about these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.